Hey guys, so this is a Etsy listing video. I made this cute little baby brag book, which is not so little, but yeah, it's Peter Rabbit inspired. I'm going to show you it's what is going to come in this brag book kit. So here is the book itself, crocheted in this beautiful antique color. You can see it. And inside it has 2 pockets and 1 page. So this pocket is bigger than the one in the front. And that is so that it can carry a little extra stuff. So this is the baby brag book. Also in this kit you're going to get the book. Crochet, I have to weave in these little ends, but I just finished it now. This beautiful crochet Peter Rabbit image. Here goes another one. And another one. And then you're going to get 2 of these crocheted flowers. You're going to get 2 of these crochet Peter Rabbit appliques, and also 2 of these smaller ones. You're also going to get a crochet teapot and a crochet acetate so that you could put the picture of the baby inside. So that is it for the crochet elements. And now we are going to move on to the trims and then to the other embellishments. So for the trim, you're going to get a strand, this gorgeous heart diamond encrusted trim. Because he is a king or prince, you're going to get gold crown. Going to get a piece of this cream trim, rosette trim. It's beautiful blue, shiny. It has like a iridescent little shine to it. So that is the trims that is going to be coming with. Then you have your little images, and these are all on chipboard, like they're strung like chipboard. So that's that one. Another one. And this one I made holes in it so you could definitely make a tassel or something like that on it. This one is epoxied. You could definitely adhere this to a paper clip. And there goes another cutout. And you have these medallions that you could definitely crochet, make some holes and crochet on. What I would do is I would back the baby's picture on the back of these and use that. Here goes another one. You're gonna get a few beads, and this is just the main bead crown. Then you're going to get these little tags that you can make a little message, leave a little message to the baby or memory. I hope the camera's focusing because it seems to be a little blurred here. And you have this one, this beautiful one, and then this is also a little booklet that you can Um, they're just white on the back side, but if you glue them together and add a cover, you can make a little booklet out of these. So I'm just going to give you a quick idea of what I would do with this kit. If it was mine, I would definitely take some trim, add it along the lines of the pocket. Like I said, I would use these as the picture in the back, and just have them like so, hanging out, sticking out like that. So that way you get way more real estate for your images, for your pictures. I would put this down and I would just glue along the edges, tack it down to this, and then maybe add PeterRabbit like that. Or you could also, for over here, you could add PeterRabbit there. Let's see what else image I have here. Where's little Peter? There we go. I would add this maybe here. Something to that effect. And then for the back side, just do something like this. Or even better yet, add one of these in there. How cute is that? So the choices are endless. Some of you ladies are so talented and you have so much creativity in you guys. I'm sure that you can come up with some amazing work. So this is going to be listed in my Etsy shop. Please go down and check out my Etsy shop. That's Crafty Kim over on Etsy. No spaces in between. That's all one word, Crafty Kim shop. And yeah, see you in my next video.